In this video, I'm going to show you the best way to remove extra blank spaces in between words and MS words. So as you can see here, there is an extra space between the lines. So this is easy to remove. Just go to File, then click on Options, and then after that, just access Advanced Settings. So click on Advanced. And from here at the right side, just scroll down until the very last point. So go ahead now, scroll down, then check Mark Don't Expand Character Spaces. So go ahead, check it. Then click on OK, then come back here and delete these spaces. So go ahead and delete it, and it will never happen for you again. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.